Welcome to our YouTube channel, Beyond Beaks. Woodpeckers, nature's drummers and master carvers. Woodpeckers, the skilled and charismatic birds known for their unique behaviors and distinctive drumming sounds, are fascinating members of the avian world. Belonging to the family Picidae, woodpeckers have evolved specialized adaptations that enable them to thrive in various ecosystems worldwide. This comprehensive exploration into the world of woodpeckers delves into their biology, diverse species, behaviors, ecological roles, and the conservation challenges they face in the modern world. Physical characteristics. Woodpeckers share common physical traits that distinguish them within the bird kingdom. They typically have sturdy, chisel-shaped bills, strong neck muscles, and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward. Their stiff tail. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel to get more videos.